It's Friday morning and we've just arrived in Chichester to surprise this week's lucky winner of the midweek car competition. Piotr Czajka has won himself a brand new Jeep Wrangler and £35,000. He lives just around the corner. Let's go knock on his door and give him the surprise of a lifetime. Peter.
Yes.
Hello, Christian from BOTB. Give you one of them.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm good, very good.
Your brother's kept a bit of a surprise from you.
Yes, I'm really... I can't believe.
Would you like to come with me around the corner?
Yes, of course.
Your brother's filled me in, being that he is your surprise contact. So we called him yesterday, and he said that you work in logistics for Rolls-Royce.
That's right.
Amazing. That must be a cool job.
Yeah, it is.
Peter, I'm pleased to say you're this week's winner of the midweek car competition. You've just won a brand new Jeep Wrangler.
Oh.
I would usually give you a hug, but we're obviously not allowed at the moment, so I'll give you one of those. So the one you've won is the Overland. This is the Rubicon we've got to show you today. Very similar car.
Yeah.
And the owner of this one, who's very kindly let us borrow it, has changed the wheels, which I think look incredible.
Yeah.
But for you, what was it about the Jeep that you wanted to win when you saw it on the website?
I just pick up and...
Well, because
choose.
you wanted to go to mountains, yeah? That's true.
Yeah? Oh, really? You wanted something to be able to drive around the mountains?
That's right.
Well, this will definitely do
Every
that.
year we go for skiing.
It's ski.
So come and have a look at the front then. So the Jeep has this incredible kind of aggressive
It's
look
huge.
to it. It's massive, isn't it?
It
when
is.
when you see it in pictures,
Oh,
you
yeah,
don't
like
see how
that.
big it is. Huge fenders. Of course, permanent four-wheel drive in this. It's a proper off-roader. And as your
Yes.
brother said, if you were going to take it skiing, not a problem with going through any kind of snow conditions with this. It's worth £50,000.
Nice. Nice.
How are you feeling?
Amazing. I can't believe it's mine, and I think I feel too small for this car.
You don't, you look fine. Your brother's laughing in the background.
Yeah.
So here's the brand new interior for the latest Jeep, which of course has got this really cool screen on the left. And then you've got your proper dials in front of you, and you've got all your kind of low and high range and your gear selection there in the middle. It's a proper off-roader.
Nice.
And what's really cool about this car is, I don't know if you've seen, but you can take all the doors off.
Yeah.
The roof panels
Roof
come
as
out,
well.
and I think the front windscreen you can drop as well.
Really?
Yeah, so you can have literally all the air coming straight in.
Nice. Oh, still shaking.
Well, you might be shaking a lot more in a second because I've got one other thing for you.
What?
Do you know what that is?
Case of
Yes,
cash?
a case of cash. Come with me.
No.
So I'm pleased to say, not only have you won a brand new Jeep Wrangler, you've also won £35,000.
Nice. Yes.
So 35 grand. I saw you use the new slider that we have on the website. Every car in the midweek comes with 20k, and you added another 15 using the
That's right.
slider. I bet you're glad you did now.
I've never seen him so stressed.
You've never seen him
don't
so
know.
stressed. What, when he got to
I just
the
want
door?
to, know.
And how he is now.
You've never seen this before, him that low.
No.
Well, not many people win a brand new car and £35,000, but of course at BOTB we have 2 winners every week, and you're one of them. Massive, massive congratulations.
Thank you, thank you.
Massive congratulations once again to Piotr Czajka winning, well, a car that's now perfect for the weather today, a brand new Jeep Wrangler and £35,000 to go with it. Do not forget to get your BOTB Dream Car competition tickets this weekend, because I could be surprising you on Tuesday. Best of luck.